National Food Group has been helping schools with commodity processing since 1996, so we know the ins and outs, and we understand how to make the juice worth the squeeze. In fact, Zee Zees provides applesauce to nearly half of the K-12 schools in the country. That means almost 1 in 2 schools in the U.S. serves applesauce under our hugely popular Zee Zees brand. And we are more than just applesauce. We offer fruit cups, hummus cups, bean dip, and more. Plus, our super fun flavor options will give your students plenty of choices when selecting your menu items. Our commodity experts collaborate with you to verify and process your fruits, beans, and more into flavorful, nutritious items that students love. Plus, we've formulated everything to qualify for USDA school nutrition programs, helping to lock in your entitlements and reimbursements. We have tools like our commodity calculator that help you strategize and maximize your food through the school year. We also have loads of free online Zee sources, coloring pages, activities, and decorations that drive participation in your cafeterias. Once your order is processed, we have delivery methods that ensure you have the food you need when you need it. We can work with your distribution partners or ship directly, whatever you prefer. National Food Group is the perfect partner for hassle-free commodity processing because we make feeding students fun and easy. Please give us a call today and speak to one of our commodity processing pros to find out how National Food Group can take your commodities to the next level.